In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and use the best free auto clicker for Roblox. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome how-to videos. Now let's jump right into it. So first up, what you'll want to do is head down to the description and click on the link I've provided for you there. Once you click it, it'll bring you to this page. And just so you know, it's completely safe. Over 1 million people downloaded this auto clicker just last week, and it's certified by SourceForge. I've used it myself, and so have many of my friends, so you've got nothing to worry about. Now go ahead and hit that download button, and after that, just press save. You'll see it downloads instantly. Once that's done, go ahead and open it up. It launches right away. Let me walk you through the basic controls so you know how to use this auto clicker properly. If you're aiming for the fastest clicking speed, I recommend setting the milliseconds field to 1. That way, you'll get the maximum CPS. The default hotkey to start the auto clicker is F6, but if you want to change it, click on hotkey setting. A window will pop up and you can press whatever key you prefer. I'll press F10, and now that's my new hotkey. Hit OK and you're all set. Now, just to give you a quick demo of how fast this auto clicker really is, I'm going to test it out on cpstest.org. So I'll hit F10 to start it up, and boom, look at that, 46 clicks per second. That's absolutely crazy. We got 364 clicks in just 10 seconds. This thing is seriously powerful and should be more than enough for whatever you need it for. Thanks a ton for watching this video.